find we. W followed, then B, U, T.
S told R, R told Q, I'm going down. How about you?
Q said fine, can I bring P? Q said R, that's fine with me. Down they slid, then P told O, come down faster, you're too slow.
O ran down and said to N, this is fun, let's try it again.
N told M and M told L, come on down, it's really swell. L said to K and K said to J, come down with us, what do you say?
Fine, said J and pulled down I. What a trip, my oh my.
Then came H, G, F, and E. They all slid down and yelled, yippee!
D said to C, what about me? Come on down and bring along B.
They shinnied down at the end of the day. The last one jumped and that was